Good morning, everybody. Good morning to everybody. Let's have a nice trading session. Market open and market is just going higher. We don't give a damn shit. We have to analyze what is happening first. First, we go to the daily chart. As always, daily chart has been bullish. We know that from the previous time. No loss has been taken yet. That's interesting. No, not the previous day has been taken yet. It came very close to it. None of the highs or low has been taken yet. So that's very interesting for opportunity. If this loss gets taken, maybe a nice long will appear. On the hour chart, good morning, Alfonso. Good morning, Nick. Oh, that we were very close to take yesterday lows. Very close. We took definitely yesterday New York session low already. So we already took a big low here. So that's interesting. This is a low of the pre-market. So we're gonna leave it there. And we're gonna put as well the opening print level. Somewhere here it's gonna be. Pre-market low. Oh, wait, I have already the previous day's low and pre-market low here. That's interesting. It would be nice if we can take these things out first. It would be very, very nice. So if we go to the 3-minute chart, we go back to the 3-minute chart, we put the opening print level somewhere here, and opening level. Level, they're at 803, pre-market low, previous day's low. So we have everything there. Oh, I don't like that the P is small. How are you, by the way, guys? Hello, Connor. Hello, Nick. Hello, Alfonso. Hello, everyone. Tomato, terrible PA day. Price action during pre-market has been horrible. There, look at this shit. Happy today. Maybe we're gonna have a better price action. You know, all this shit happened before. So hopefully we're coming lower. We grab this low, both of these low, and then we look for a beautiful long. That will be so sexy. Oh, what the heck? I hid my, no. Okay. That would be so beautiful. Typical, I'm long and stop loss in positive. Beautiful, Alfonso. Good job. PMPA was disgusting. Took some trades and got nothing going. PM pre-market, yes, was disgusting for real. When this morning I was working, I looked at this price action. I was like, oh, I'm glad I was not here. Good morning, Mufti. Let's see what wants to do. Definitely this dip is interesting. But will be even more interesting if this thing comes back and takes all these people out. Ooh, will be so sexy. Oh, will be so sexy. It will be so sexy if it does that. I might even, if these things start to close lower, I might even look for a short to come here. It's not even that bad. It's not even that bad idea. If we start to close and we come back lower, this can be a nice short to grab these lows. Typical, yeah, you mean Tuesday? Starting trading live and PA. Man, it's always like that. Look at Tomato. Tomato last week, or what was it, last week? He did amazing with his evaluation, and the first day he traded his funded accounts, price action was horrible and he got unlucky. Yeah, honestly, it can be interesting for, you know, usually we look for, you know, liquidity to get grabbed and then a trade to next level. But if we can get maybe a nice, interesting candle here, we might maybe take a nice short and grab these lows here. You know, it can be maybe a nice. Good morning, Sabria. Good morning, Guyman. Good morning, Fayad. 22750 coming. It does look so. It does look coming there. Let me put it nicely here. I'm looking for these two lows to be taken before looking for longs. Good morning, Abdel. Interesting that I don't know if you saw the Tesla situation, guys, with Elon Musk, but it's just insane. So Tesla have lost quite a lot between yesterday and today, and probably still dropping lower. Yeah, it's still dropping lower. I don't know if you saw it. Let me see if I can show it to you. Okay, that's beautiful. Look at Tesla. Look at Tesla, guys. Nothing yesterday, news during the night where Trump says is looking to remove all benefits that the company of Elon have. So we have lost from yesterday closing. From yesterday closing to now, a beautiful 7.6%. Tesla is getting crushed. Not the right idea that they start to fight for that. Good morning, Luca. Good morning. A lot of difficulty to get over that, just above that level, guys. I don't know. I don't think, yeah, we don't have enough. We need more people. All these people need to get stopped out. Come here. Come here, market. Come here. Give me something to short you, to get you here. I will be very interested. If not, we can wait. Yesterday, guys, I'm very happy because we end up with two losing trades, but look at the two losing trades. I should have lost from here to the bottom, and I should have lost from here. Oh my God, to the bottom here. I don't know what I've done here. I don't know. And then we got stopped out. I removed myself in both trades in advance, and it came out to be the right idea for both cases. These things, this TP never hit even after, came back, stopped out, and then skyrocket. So I was in advance, and this was a beautiful idea here on this trade. This fake out worked out very nicely, and we're coming back a little bit lower there. I see. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Honestly, I might look for shorts. I'm interested in this short. It's a bit risky. I'm gonna put just $100 risk on it, but I like it. I'm gonna risk like $120, less than I usually do. If this candle is interesting. I risk, yeah, $100. Nobody is taking profit, man. No sweets and tie today. Which one? Which one? Phil Powell speaking. Is he really speaking again? I didn't see the news bite. Okay, I'm not gonna short this. The candle is green. Tuesday, Powell. I'm at 9.5. Oh, now. 9:45 news, 10 a.m. news. What a piece of crap today. Bro, you have a 100K account. What lot size should they use on OMQ? It depends on your risk, on your strategy that has a certain risk and a certain win rate. I would say if you have a high win rate, then you should. If you have a high win rate, a small risk reward, you should risk. You can risk more if you have lower win rate and high risk reward. You should risk less. I will say it depends trade by trade, but for me, I don't like to risk more than $200 on a 50K account. That makes me 12 consecutive red trades from a full drawdown, right, that I can take. On a 100K account does not change that much, so I would keep the same risk management or a little bit more, $250. It's really about surviving this period, especially guys. In this period, we are having shitty price action. If looking for the gambling in this period to make big money, look at this price action of yesterday. What the heck happened here? All these people from here, 9:30 to here, it was how many bars? 43 3-minute candles. That means almost 120 minutes. That means 3 hours. Almost 3 hours from 9.5 to 11 and 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours. 120 minutes is 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours of price action inside this range. And even with that, when it went outside the range, it just went up, retest, came back inside the range, played inside the range. Oh, freaking hell. Faked out people here, faked out people again, faked out people here. Then finally it went up. Yeah, it's a range period time. So let's see if we can get an idea of trade here. But until now, I don't like the long. The long is what I'm more biased for sure. But I would have loved the long after taking some loss. Surviving one more day, no loss equal win. No loss is for sure. Which just depends on the volume at the time. Yeah, it depends on the volume and the risk. I would say always good to have dollars risk for my point, because it makes it more clear. You know, that's what I really discovered last time with Contaro. It's one of you said it last time. He was like, just select the number of contracts, right click, and it tells you how much you're gonna lose. So if I short here with 2 contracts at this break, and my loss, my stop loss is there, I'm risking $100. Wow, that was precise. Mufti the cat said Powell something, then he deleted the message. I saw your message. Is Powell saying something particular that we have to care? Because I said scam Powell say something stupid. Say something stupid. Yeah, makes this shit short. Honestly, I would be happy if we grab these lows and we make an interesting candle, then I will look for longs here. Especially after grabbing this the low of the day. Oh, it'll be nice. So right now we are not. Oh, that's coming. Let's see if it creates a nice, interesting candle for me. I like a candle that has a bigger wick above. Like this is a little bit on the. This 15 minutes candle can be interesting. How much is that? Risking the 15 minutes candle, that means risking the high of the day. Means if I short here, I'm risking $120 to make 140. It's not even bad. It's okay. Now it's reducing the risk. Okay, the short is coming there. 144 to make. Let's get in. The risk is getting. Let's see if another candle comes here that's more interesting for me. But this short is happening. Let's see. 15 minutes candle closing in 58 seconds. In 50 seconds, we have a news and a 15 minutes candle closing. So we're going to have the range of the day. And finally, the short is coming. It's happening. Love that. Short at 796. Stop at 815. Nice. Good luck, my friend. I love the short idea, to be honest. I think we need to grab these 2 lows. But, let's see. Took me out in positive. Nice. And news in 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. It's news out right now. Nothing as always. I think the 10 a.m. is more important as a news. So news is not doing anything. So you're good. You're still good. Maybe, hopefully, in a positive wise on for you that it's gonna come down. But we have a 50 minutes range right now from here. We have the highs and the range of the low is here. How many people we are right now? 18. Hopefully we're gonna get our 30 people we're getting in the last period. Hello, Andy. Hello, hello. Today I'm on chill, rest day. Rest day, I love rest day. Sounds like a gym things. We need a rest day, to be honest, sometimes, right? We need a rest day. What are you doing today? I'm having a rest day. Rest day? Only traders can understand you're having a rest day from trading, for how mental energy is consuming these things. I need a payout day. Alfonso, I really understand. It's been a while right now. I need a freaking payout day. And the funny thing is that if I get payout, inshallah, with all these accounts, is like a freaking 8K, 9K, 10K payout in one shot, and it's like insane. But it's still a long journey to it. But at least I'm not blowing them for the moment. 1 minute and a half. Let's see if this candle comes back negative on a red side. This can be an interesting candle for me to short, but we still have 1 minute. So this short side can still happen. Let's see if it comes back. Opening print level getting screwed today. Not very interesting. If I short this candle, risking $80 to make $126. Let's see. That would be very interesting. Are we gonna do it? No, 40 seconds, it's holding. Maybe this is gonna be enough liquidity grab for this to continue higher, but as much as I wish this candle, the previous day low to be taken first. Shitty action, shitty, oh, that's okay. It's getting interesting for me here. Okay, let's see how it closes. If it comes back closing lower, I will short this. I will go for free contract stop loss. Five seconds. Nope. Out. Not taking it. Don't like the candle. Yeah, in 30 minutes, much more news are coming. If this candle was gonna close somewhere here on the low side, below the 800s, would have been interesting for me to short it, but right now, nope. I wish you the best. Hope, that's what we need, and hope is here. For now, it's like yesterday. For now, it's really like, look at this 50 minutes range again inside. Shitty price action. Let's see. And the last 2 times I put that Powell in the last days has spoken more than anyone else. I cannot. I cannot put myself to listen Powell. I mean, it's wow. It's different people speaking at the same time. I see that. 12,000 people watching CNBC. That's a spike above. Good luck to anyone. Some spike right now on the upside. Yeah. Market always wants to play with you. It will play with you. And today is the day again. Really, guys, making money in this period, you really need to be good. You really need to be good. If someone does not show you having red days in this period, I'm gonna call it fake. Like some people show like a full June green. Yeah. Maybe you're that good, huh? Maybe you're that good. Show me statements and show me proof. I will be happy to look into it. But if you show me like a calendar where you put dollars amount and you're green, yeah. No, I don't trust you. Out Mufti, sorry for the loss. It sucks. Sucks because I really like the idea of short there, but market doesn't want to. I wish we were gonna take some more lows than this. You know, a little bit more. Now we are back in this range where we chopped out all the time yesterday. I don't even know what is this. I'm gonna put it here above these highs of yesterday. It sucks. It sucks. Trading sucks in this period, guys. The only right now, if this is we are enough strength because in the hour chart we've taken lows and the market is happy of the lows has been taken in 1 hour chart. If we go to the 1 hour chart, and my God, what the heck here? It shows everything. I have to remove my settings. Wait, go. Trade orders, trades. So if the market is happy with the fact of taking these lows as enough to go higher right now, then the only things I will look right now, if these lows have been enough to take out, this is the idea, and it does not need to take another low, as much as this is the low of yesterday, at least on from 6 p.m. opening, because this is 6 p.m. opening, but yeah. So if the market is already happy of taking the lows, then the only things I'm gonna look if a break or a test of an area, like say 15 minutes range here, come back, creates a low, come back again, creates another low, takes the previous low, and then I will look for longs if it comes back. Then will be my long idea. Down 365, getting stopped out of the therapy. Sounds okay. $306 is a good loss. You have been up much more than that in a good trading day. So Tuesday sucks. If you have reached your free trades, like is your rule, you said, you lock yourself out, you walk away, and you're in peace. You've done a good job. That's how you'll see it. That's how you see it. What time is it? It's 4 p.m. 4 p.m. here in France. Oh, no, here in Luxembourg. I'm in Luxembourg. Yeah, not much, guys, right now. This we're outside the 50 minutes range. It's trying. A lot of bullshit happened here in pre-market. This is I don't know, guys. Like I always said, if you're not resetting and paying evaluations each time because you're making your account survive, good job. Yeah, and that's what you said. Yeah, if you trade with a chicken's brain, we do mistakes. It is gonna happen that we're gonna mistakes. We're human, you know. We're human. We're not gonna do perfection each day, every time. We're not gonna do perfect things. We're gonna make mistakes. But until we handle our difficult moment with some rules, we are doing amazing. We are still doing great than most of the people that will take and blow up accounts. And we don't blow up accounts. We don't pay these fees again. We hold for this account. Coming back. Let's see if this is gonna be a fake out. That's gonna be interesting, guys. If this is gonna be a fake out, oh, that would be interesting. This thing's coming back lower. Oof. Let's see. Oh, that would be amazing to see these things drop. You know, sometimes we're gonna miss some trades. It's okay. I'm trying to increase my win rate. My win rate increased by as well removing stupid trades. If it was my old style of trading when I was trading Tesla, I would have entered probably long somewhere here, long again here, but I would have taken scalps. Andy's speaking facts. Yeah, Andy like really spitting facts, spitting anything. Two nice candles there with a wick below. That's getting interesting for a long. If you might think that the first long here have been taken out, the second, but that's a bit too. It's a bit aggressive. How is the 3-minute chart in ES? Nah. Let's see how it evolves. You know, this can be the first low. Ooh, okay. Okay, some acceleration there. News in 3 minutes. News in 3 minutes. That news is gonna be interesting. That news is gonna be interesting because we have quite a few things. We have construction spending, job openings, ICM manufacturing. That's gonna be very interesting. Are we gonna destroy something here? What is the Papa Powell speaking here? What is Papa Powell speaking? Still speaking? Now we have Federal Reserve Chair Jeremy Powell speaks in the ECB panel in Portugal. I should go to Portugal right now to meet him. Papa Powell, tell me something we don't know. Papa Powell. So we're coming back lower, we're making candles. Oh my God, that's gonna be, let's see. We'll meet him, no worries. Yeah, man, meet him, ask him some good questions, capture him if you need, and then let's make money. News coming in 1 minute is getting interesting. The short idea is great, and I love the short idea here, guys. Just news is coming in 1 news. We have 40 seconds. We're gonna get some momentum right now in the last seconds. Let's see what he wants to do. This moment, and I usually I might take as well trade before the news if the trades appear. But unfortunately, no trades appeared until now, and the news seems quite important. 4, 3, 2, wow, it's blocked. It's blocked. Wow, wait, whoa. That's some candles there. Yeah, you're right. Imagine you're full porting before the news and like you just get stopped out, or you click the button, and instead of getting filled here, because of this spike 1 second before the news, you get filled here short, and you get stopped out here. That's what happened to so many people. Like really, you would get filled. You click the button, you get filled here, and you get stopped out, and your account is gone. So right now, for me, these things still looks more interesting to the downside first. We didn't even take this low, the 50 minutes low of the day. Got out of gold on time. I will never trade news. Good job. If that is your rule, good job. Keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it. Let me see the web, our Discord here. We have the news update. Jolt's openings actually 7.769 forecast was 7.3, so much better. So there are more job appearing. Break manufacturing actual 49 forecast. I mean, construction spending is lower. New orders index actual 46, a bit lower. But I mean, we know that many times the news, it depends how the market takes it. Can be a positive one, but then we just drop first. I still like the idea that we might drop first, but if I show this 50 minutes candle here, will be 834. That means shorting here 834. Oh, that's here. Oh, that's a bit too much. How the heck? 799. It's here. Oh no, here. This 50 minutes candle is still not close. What the heck am I doing? If a new, okay, we're getting a new 3 minutes candle. Let's see how this 3 minutes candle is interesting. But yeah, this is patience game, guys. Patience game. Probably you go to another YouTube channels and people are already taking trades. But in reality, look at where we are. We're just chopping. We're just chopping. There is no need to take trades. We just need to find one good setup that makes sense, that is worth it, that it has a good risk reward, that if I take it, I'm very relaxed to hold it until take profit or stop loss. Mostly that's it. Is someone of you still in a trade? If you are, where you are? Where you are? Na 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 na. Where you are? Na 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 na. So no one is taking a trade right now. None of you? I'm done today, man. What that one trade you take, or you take other things? Good morning, Roshinko. $40, great loss, man. Yeah, no, I'm really respectful of your loss, man. You're someone that has huge, great risk management there. You're for the long run, and you know that this period is hard to trade. So if you keep improving, keeping your loss small, the moment you're going to be able to read an easier market and make money from it, you can push it. And I love that. I really love that. Nick had the worst trading day of the year. Today, man, appreciate your honesty. You know, it's not easy to show red days and red moments. Man, you got so unlucky. You had a beautiful period of beautiful reading of the market, and then when you start with the live money, it feels like it's triggered. It feels like it's triggered. I get people in the support and stuff like that. So, you know, when I was working mostly in support, they were like, my PA, the market start to, you know, start to apply, do different than when I was in valuations. It feels like that. But then it's just emotion and the world is shit like that. But it sucks. Trading sucks. It is. My friend, just evaluate the situation. You are an amazing trader. You have a very amazing reading. Some days it's like this. We just need to hold our losses as much as we can and respect our rules. Rules, from my point, are some people believe rules are good. Some people's rules are stopping people from making more money. I believe rules are good for stopping us most of the time of losing more than we should. Waiting, Sabria, you're doing good. I think that is a few things. I took some mass trade PM and the volume wasn't there. I forced trade on gold when the move is done. Okay. Okay, understood. That 2.5K destroyed your consistency. At least is that. Man, it sucks. Look at this price action. Look at this price action. Man, we 40 minutes in the market, and we are still inside the 50 minutes range. What the heck? Really? What the heck? It's a good thing. It's a good thing. We know that Friday market is closing early. Days are counted, but we don't give a shit about the trade is the day is counted. Got a small scalp, but still down from yesterday. Okay. Roshinko, he came 5 minutes ago. He said hello, and he's like, I'm done for the day. You did something great there. You took some scalp, you ran away. Yeah, honestly, this period, take your money and run away. Take your money and run away. What the heck, guys? See, it's insane. Freaking insane. Feels like, I don't know, here it's insane. The market is just bullshitting with us. What did you take, Roshinko? Or you're just, maybe Roshinko just entered, came, and he was like, he saw the chart and he's like, I'm done. I'm not gonna take anything here. And somehow we agree with you, my friend. We agree with you. Us people here in this group, we agree with you. Absolutely insane. What is this? What is this? Still in the 15 minutes range, my friend. It's insane. I was milking it. It went as it went up and down. Okay. So you scalped the 15 minutes range inside. You've done amazing. I mean, this period is like really playing the range. Wild times the easier. I watched a video of a trader YouTuber. I don't remember his name. It was in Instagram, I think. He's been trading for like 9 years, 10 years. And he's like, has been the worst and most, not worse, I mean worse, but yeah, most difficult year of his trading life. Man, really, guys. Bro, what have you done to market, bro? Is this the reason you went to USA to manipulate the market? Man, I don't know. I wish I was that strong enough. I will make all of you rich as hell. grab $20 grab $20 grab. Man, you've done great there. Grabbing this money and running away. I don't think this market has been tough. Honestly, it's just been volatile. And then for me personally, it with the I don't know if it's because I have more experience, more reading and stuff like that. But man, for me, it's like a joke. Hopefully, we're gonna get a period where we just grab and go. But for the moment, we are not able to do anything. Yeah, you have more. You have more for sure. I think I did yesterday. Did you say yesterday how many years you've been in the market? I mean, only now it's what almost 5 years. It's getting to 5 years. I think it's 4 years and a half right now of in the market actual trading. In the market, bullshitting around with some MACD indicator, a bit more than that. I was in university and I was trading. We were trying to do something with cryptos. And yeah, we were like, oh my God, the MACD tells you where to go long. When it crosses, just go long and you make money. Wow. At that period, we were young. And man, I swear to you, I don't know if I see the future trading live in YouTube and showing you my entry and everything, it will be like rich. I would be like, guys, don't do anything. Oh no, guys, this market is coming down in 5 minutes. It's gonna grab these lows, and then after 20 minutes of playing around here, it's gonna skyrocket. So just short here, put take profit here, then and reverse it, put a reverse position, put a stop loss at 723, and go long to the sky. How people on Twitter are showing profits on this kind of market, I literally doubt on them. And you should. You should. Don't trust anyone. Trust only people that show you statements and show you live trading. The rest, don't trust shit. Like I show you below, I show my PAs, I show you my entry, I show you my exit. These kind of people you should trust. The rest, I wouldn't trust them. 2016, you're getting the 10 years, huh? The large caps again, then futures. Man, you're getting to the 10 years. We're gonna celebrate your 10 years. I was done before. You already made some trades before. Market after COVID was probably the easiest for people to make money, and just because of after COVID, the market definitely was the easiest. It was just breakouts to the long. Everything was working. It was insane. It was insane. I remember, guys, at that time I thought I was trading and I was buying NEO and some stupid, stocks at the time that were very volatile. I remember NEO was going down 7% at the beginning of the market. I was just buying. No idea, no anything. In my mind was thinking these things will go up. Closing up after 1 hour from minus 7% to plus 5% on the day. I was like, wow, making money is easy. Oh, Nick, we're gonna make it. This year. We survive now. And the moment the markets comes back a little bit easier to read, we're gonna bank. I'm gonna be ready to bank. We're breaking this triangulation here. I triangulated it for how long there? 30 minutes. Let's see if this is gonna fake some people out. Coming back lower, entering short aggressively to the lows. The longs are not interesting for me because we have not taken anything low. We haven't even taken this low. We didn't even take the low of the day of New York session. We didn't even take this out. If there was an interesting long, at least this dip here come here back lower and then become interesting for me. That now is like Abdel, what is doing your 15-minute strategy? This was, I think, a win. If you didn't get slippage, maybe 15 points are not moving here. There is no enough volatility for 15 points. Here we go again. Na na, I cannot limit you. Na 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 na. Today I'm lost. Bye, brother. Today is shit. Honestly, if I get out here from with no trades, maybe yeah, it's gonna be probably a great win. Insanity. Ta-da-ta-da. Nothing, guys. Nothing. So boring, guys. So freaking boring. Can be this interesting, but at least show me some longs be taken out. Show me something. Show me some longs be taken out before I think about going long. Just want a good setup. I don't ask for much. I'm very humble guy. I don't look for millions. I look for my trade of the day, make some money, walk away. But these days, guys, we are here just really, I look at these and I'm like, how can you trade these pins? And remember, guys, we have 80% off with Apex. If you're thinking to use Apex, you're welcome to use my code. I appreciate you, and I say thank you to you, and you're supporting the channel. If you're using any other prop firms or using your personal money, you're welcome to stay here. Come to the Discord, we chat, we cry each other in this period, with each other in this period. For the rest, there's nothing else we can do here. I wish market was easier to read. See Nvidia, I think valuation will gain happen, but don't know. You know, I've not checked yet stocks, to be honest. It's been a little bit. I have not checked the stocks. Apple is just going higher. Nvidia just going lower. Tesla is bouncing from that deep situation. And we're already up, I believe, quite a few points there. Ah, did I do that? Wait, I want to move you. Oh, finally. We're up 4% from the bottom. Amazon pushing. Microsoft just rejecting the highs and bounce from the deep of Google. So it seems interesting right now, but market is just doing totally. Look, Amazon, Apple pushing, Nvidia, Microsoft, Nvidia coming down, Microsoft not breaking the highs, and Google neither doing that much, just going slightly lower, holding these highs of the previous days. There's a support area there. What a bullshit market. And again, we're coming lower. And again, this might be the fake out for the short side. Is it? Is it? I don't freaking know. Just wait. I still have 20-30 minutes. All these people going long here for the break of this range again are probably getting stopped out soon. Probably they have their stop loss here. So good chance they have the stop loss here. If I have to trade, I will trade again inside the range to get to the next low, especially this low here. This Nvidia is just going lower, and if Apple and Amazon do not hold this push, new 3 minutes candle, if it pushes and comes back, this can be an interesting short situation for me. Only if it pushes, come back, closes a bit, with a weak above, then I will look for a short on 195. And on 195, that was the profit. But let's see. We're coming down. We're coming down. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that. All the people that went long, they're getting faked out. Nvidia is really just going lower. So that was really smart to say to look at Nvidia there. We are definitely will again happen. Good morning, Mohammed. Look at these. We're coming back lower, guys. This is gonna be interesting. Oh, that is getting interesting finally. I wish I got my weak candle there. I wish this candle was happening a bit after, but this fake out break, Nick, you are a fake out. This would have been amazing, but you got the break here. So probably your short would have been here. And this loss here, profit at this next. That's already, more than 1-to-1 at least, but we took the low of the day. That can be interesting right now. That can be interesting. We took all the people that had the short on this. Interesting. Interesting. Range is so current. This is crazy. IB range. What is IB? What is IB? What is IB? What is IB? The 30 minutes range. Okay, the 30 minutes range is this high. Yeah, I believe, right? Yeah. Why is called IB range? What IB means? Initial balance. Oh, thank you. Paul helping me with the Marcelo helping me with the not too late, Evdi, too late. I've been asking for this for 20 times. Marcelo was tired of listening to me asking what is IB in this YouTube live. He's like, yo man, guy, let me help this guy. Absolutely. Absolutely insane. And we came to this low. And it's still for me. It does look he wants to take more lows, but greeting from Bali. What? Wait. I have to remember Sanchez Marcelo, the owner of the hostel? Right? Is it you? Yes, sir. Ah, what's up, my man? Let me remember the hostel name. I have it in the tip of my tongue. Hostel. Home hostel. Home hostel. Welcome hostel. It was an easy name. Yeah? Home hostel? Yeah? Was it that one? Home hostel. Or welcome hostel. One of the two. Best hostel. Ah, well, what's up? How is it going? How is Bali, man? My friends are going to Bali in August. How is August? How is Bali in August? How is Bali in August? Because when I came in Bali was October and October. How is Bali in August? It's like packed, like a lot of people. That is gonna be insane for them. Their first time in Bali. They don't know what is gonna come for them. Oh, that's nice. I love this, guys. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. It's coming finally lower. No, oof, oof. Oh, it's gonna be interesting then. For them, it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting. This shot was interesting, but I like a freaking candle with a wick. It's gonna be interesting. Bali in August. Pwah. Pwah. It was, yeah, because in October hostels are not that full. So I guess in August you're kind of fully booked. Yeah, that's gonna be, yeah, because as well August is summer for Europeans, so many people are on holiday. Oh, we're coming, guys. Oh, we're coming. Oh, that's gonna be interesting. This short never came with a nice candle with a wick, by the way. Bullshit. None of this came out. This would have been the best. This one, after faking out this flag, it came back and it came back, faked out all these people, and right now, all these people that had the stop loss here, oh, they're gonna get destroyed. They're gonna get destroyed. PDL, you mean the closing of the day? You mean low of the if I mean it is everything's possible. I mean I'm just betting on the fact if we bounce and then we get a nice, like for example, now we told them if these candles come back and closes nicely, then I will look for longs. I will not take a long just because it broke the lows, right? There's a good chance that it does stay there and continues lower. So we play statistic, right? Anything can happen. It's just that now I will say the longs idea, it looks more interesting. If I look for longer here at $162, I can go for 4 contracts maybe. Reach 230, but this candle has to come back a little bit strong before looking for longs. Like, let's see this last 40 seconds. After we grabbed all these lows, it's coming interesting. It's coming. 30 seconds. Oh, that's interesting candle. That's very interesting candle. Oh, I'm loving this candle. It's gonna be risky time, risky game. Probably 3 contracts if these things does not. $218 on the risky side, but I think it's totally doable here. 10 seconds. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I will risk that long there. If we come back, I like that we took the previous day, we took the pre-market low, and I like the idea of always waiting for the break of the candle. The break of a candle shows as well a change of making higher low, higher high in a smaller time frame, right? If we go to the 1 minute chart, that becomes, we start to make maybe higher high, higher low, breaking previous levels. Or if you go to even smaller time frame, 30 seconds. with the previous low is here in this line, the red line has been broken, not maybe that strong, but has been broken by 2 points. In ES, we've taken as well the previous lows here on the 3-minute chart. Apple is holding. Even with all these things coming lower, Apple hold. I think it looks good. Where is all? I removed it in the end. I mean, level 2 data. I removed it in the end. I removed it. What is what? 2780 big order. Okay. But look, if this candle makes it even a better weak candle, this can become my stop loss after this. My TP will be definitely somewhere. I mean, TP at the highs of the day will be the best. Will be like an insane good trade. Will be amazing. But okay, ES, look at the ES guys pushing there. We're looking at this. Good luck, guys. I got filled. Wish you the best. Definitely. I will take out shoe contracts and shoe contracts. OC order. Link to sell, yes. Sell limit. CO, link to sell limit, link to 4 stops. That's it. Good luck. In as well, Alfonso. In long or short. Let's see how it goes. Most of the things here is that if we go to the let's go and check a daily chart. Chart here on the stocks. Apple's still holding. Hopefully, it's gonna give us a continuous push. Tesla still there. Nvidia is definitely giving us some problems there, even after all this drop. But hopefully, we're gonna get it some out, and or we're gonna get stopped out. Oh my God! Still, we wait. Probably we're gonna get stopped out. Oh, we got stopped out with slippage. $21 more slippage there. We can making us 6.8K. Wow, that was a nice loss there. 44, one trade. Good, okay, losing day, but wow. It is what it is. Long idea was beautiful. I liked it. We might still go for longs. It's still good for longs here if we keep holding these levels, but it came out to be a fake out for us. The short here would have been the best, but of course, it didn't give me any candle that was interesting. Quick in and out. To be honest, it's good like that. We don't suffer. 10:34 a.m. We're out. We accept the loss. Guys, surviving. We survive. We call it out ourselves out. I think that best OP was the short after first breakout. Yeah, these things here, right? These things here was beautiful. It was beautiful. These things was beautiful. The only things I really wished I had a weak candle from somewhere here to grab maybe some more people and coming back, but unfortunately it did not happen. ES was cleaner. This is what it is. Guys, time to call it for me. Tonight I'm flying to Italy. So guys, have a beautiful day, beautiful time. See you tomorrow. Again, Wednesday, training session. I will be in Italy tomorrow. Hopefully a better price action. I mean, unfortunately, we have to accept this. See you guys. Love you all and see you tomorrow.